Hi guys, welcome to another product focus. What we're going to be doing today is focusing on Plant Magic Root Stim, probably the smelliest product we sell. Inside there is all your stimulants, your sugars, your natural plant hormones to get those root mass growing bigger and bigger within the soil or the media what you're using, even NFT to create that lush root growth, which is then going to support a great plant. It breaks down all the active ingredients within the soil and breaks it down so it can be used and absorbed into the plant a lot better. It smells because it's a fermented bioactive product. So it's been fermented down in a big IBC before we stabilize it and then bottle it. It's got about a 2.5 ml dilution rate, so the dilution rate is quite good, but it's really easy to use as well, and it's not particularly over expensive. Everybody loves it. You probably use it through all the 18 hours, probably 3 to 4 weeks into your flowering cycle, just to protect those roots, to keep that root mass breaking down all that bacteria within there, feeding it to your plants, and then tailor it off towards the end of a grow. Comes in 1, 5, 10 and 20 litre cans. Again, it's one of the best selling Plant Magic nutrients we sell. Have a go with it, you'll absolutely love it. It stinks a bit, but I'm sure that won't put you off because you're going to get a great root mass by using this product. If you want any more information on the Plant Magic Root Stim, jump on the Plant Magic website. There's all of the information you'll ever need about the full range. Cheers guys.